got a little bit of smoke right here. It's from the, it's getting less. There's less smoke coming out than there was originally. I think it's from the anti-seize burning off. I think. But we'll give it a few minutes, see what happens. The smoke did eventually subside. It's still a little bit present, but I think that it's was anti-seize doing that. It could be a small leak, but this is now a earplug required motorcycle. It's very, very, very loud. I would say easily 5 times more loud than stock. It's almost like farts going off behind you all the time. The Boxer obviously has its own rumble, but that rumble is like unfiltered now. I think for most of you, the muffler will be enough. But yeah, I had fun riding it today. It's just, you know, I don't hear the motor anymore. All I hear is exhaust, and the anti-seize just looks terrible on it. But yeah, I'll put some audio clips after this. But it looks good though. It looks really, really good on the bike. It's just really effing loud. And if that's what you're into, then go for it. But I really think that you guys should just get the muffler. The muffler sounds great. I really didn't feel a lot of more power. Very little more power over stock. Alright, so I've done about 2 hours of riding now on the Acra headers and muffler. What do I think? If you were to let me ride a GS with this setup, and then have me after that decide if I want to buy it or not, I would have just bought the muffler. I would have kept the OEM headers. The weight difference is like 3 pounds. It's not massive. Mostly because you're saving yourself the catalytic converter. It's just way too loud. It's significantly louder than stock. I would say 4 or 5 times louder than stock. It sounds a little farty, like actually like you're letting out a fart when you're on the throttle, like, which is weird. It's loud. Actually, I feel a little bit more vibration even in my foot pegs and in the handlebars. It's loud. It's definitely loud. I would like to have just the muffler and get rid of the headers, I think. So that's kind of my opinion. I think the headers are cool. It's nice to have them black like this. They look nice, but they just make it. I haven't been on the highway yet, so I'm about to hop on the interstate, and we'll see if I still like it after the interstate run. I'm not wearing earplugs. I usually do. I didn't want to wear earplugs today because I actually wanted to hear how it sounds, and this is now an earplugs required motorcycle for sure, because it's just so damn loud. So that's my thoughts on it. Yeah, sure, it looks good, but very loud. Very, very loud.